So guys, this is how I do my winding. The thing I used to wind my engine, the rope spoil, so I have to do it by myself. So this is when I want to pull the rope inside. You will see the first hole inside. I put it in the hole. That was the first hole. Um, you see? Can you see? That was the first hole. The second hole. That's the second hole. So I have to put it to the second hole. Uh, so I put it in the second hole, and everything was going smoothly. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see that? That was the second hole. So I have to do it like this so I can wrap it around. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see that? So I have to wrap the rope around the plastic that is inside. Can you see? So I have to do it that way so it can work. I have to put it around so everything will go smoothly. The thing is very hard, but I have to do it. So can you see? Can you see that? Can you see that? So I have to put it in this one. Once it gets in, can you see? Can you see? So I have to tie the rope at the back like this, and that doesn't work. I have to tie it again. After tying it again, everything is done. Can you see the way I'm wrapping it? It was very hard, so I have to add it. I wrapped it well, like tie it well. So can you see? It works. It works. At final, it works. I have to do it by myself. Can you see? Can't you see? Can't